When spring hits and you begin using your hose faucet outside again, have you had it spray all over like this? It might be a simple fix, and Joe is going to show you what to look for and how to take care of it.
Hello, I'm Joe with At Your Service Plumbing, and today we're going to be discussing how to clean your vacuum breaker on your hose faucet. What the vacuum breaker does is it prevents any back siphoning of any chemicals or water off the ground back into your drinking water. It has a little plunger in there, plunger stops it. This right here is your vacuum breaker. You might notice in the summers, spring, when you turn on your vacuum breaker, it starts leaking, pouring water out of places it's not supposed to be. So today we'll discuss how to clean that. So you want to start with the top here. It just unthreads. You set your cap aside. And you got these threaded plastic pieces here. You want to be very delicate taking these off. These can break. If they break, you got to replace the parts. Ours are pre-loosened. We can just get something basic as a crescent wrench, take those off. When you're pulling these off, you want to be careful. There are small pieces inside that can drop and you can lose those. So take this off. And inside here, you're going to find a little plunger. Be careful with those. And on this plunger, sometimes you can get debris that builds up on these little plungers here and inside the main body. You can take the washer, flip the washer over, and give it a nice clean surface. So you just want to wipe off any debris off there, maybe run a little water through that. And you just want to place it right back in. Little prongs will face down. You want to line that up right in the center. And you'll just thread it back in. Sometimes threading plastic back onto metal can be difficult. And if you're having trouble getting those threads back on, you can just twist it the opposite direction, and you'll feel it pop into place. And then once it pops in, you can just twist it right back down. Again, gentle strength. It is just plastic. It can break. Once that's nice and hand snug, just take your cap. You can just screw your cap right back on. And you can use something again as a crescent wrench if you desire to get a nice tight finish on there. Thank you for watching.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this Do-It-Yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.